I am super excited to talk to you about Peach, though. So for anyone who's looking for help with repaying their debt or is maybe struggling with that experience, there's really only two options in the market today. One, they could refinance their existing debt into a loan with lower monthly payments over a longer term. But if they don't qualify for that, their only other option is really filing for bankruptcy or moving into delinquency. Those, to me, feel really extreme. I think there has to be something in the middle. And that was why we decided to build Peach. We wanted to help those consumers who were interested in a refinancing option but didn't yet qualify for one and also weren't at the point where they needed to file for bankruptcy. And so what we do at Peach is we create customized repayment plans that fit within a user's budget and optimize their payments to save them the most money in interest and also pay off their debts the fastest. And then after a period of positively progressive movement, they're hopefully seeing a meaningful improvement in their credit score, and then we'll recommend them for a refinancing opportunity with one of our partner lenders. And so getting directly into the demo so you can see this cool thing that we've built. So this is the homepage of Peach, and we are actually integrated with Equifax directly, so that's where we pull all of the information that you see here, like their credit score, their outstanding loans, the balance, the APRs, the next payments, payment history. All of those things are information and data that we get directly from Equifax. We also are able to help our users understand their credit score and what might be helping and hurting it. We have a number of modules, not just related to credit utilization, but also any poor records that they might have on their credit file and how they can address that or report any errors. And then moving into the actual customized repayment plan. So what we do first is we educate them on the two different repayment methods that might work for them, a debt avalanche versus a debt snowball method. And then using our Equifax integration, we'll actually have them pick the loans that they want to pay off. We'll ask them to confirm their APRs for each of these loans. And then finally, just first confirming that they can actually afford their monthly payments. If they can't, we'll actually work with them and call their lenders to negotiate maybe a period of forgiveness or lowering their monthly payment for a short period of time. But assuming they can meet their minimum payments at the bare minimum, we'll then move forward to seeing if they could budget anything else towards their debt repayment goals. And so let's say somebody can contribute $360 more a month. We'll help them understand and quantify just the savings that they'll realize from interest paid over the life of a loan if they were to accelerate that repayment goal. And so once they're ready to commit to the plan, our planner will actually give them detailed payments on how much they should pay towards each of their outstanding loans. And what we're optimizing for is we're prioritizing loans that have compounding interest that could feel predatory, like credit card debt, no offense. And then we'll de-emphasize some of the loans that have more generous compounding rates like student loans. And you can actually track your progress. This gives you your payments, it gives you a plan over a period of whatever your repayment goal is. So mine is, I have a lot of student debt, so it's gonna take me 50 years to pay off my loans. But it'll actually give you a month-by-month guidance for every year. And you can track your progress and actually mark things as paid. So I'll show you what that looks like right now. And so that's kind of the interactive element of our planner. So in addition to that, one of the biggest drivers for why individuals have debt is typically poor budgeting and not understanding their spending in full detail. We've also created a full suite of spending tools so that way they can track and avoid any future debt. Because as much as you might want to pay off your existing debt as it stands today, if you continue accumulating and adding to it, it becomes a very reinforcing and spiraling issue. And so all these three tools together are what we built at Peach and how we're helping people get on a debt repayment strategy that actually works with their existing situation in a way that a refinancing they don't qualify for or filing for bankruptcy wouldn't necessarily serve the same goal. We started Peach a year ago, and today we have $125 million in loans that are connected to the platform. We're actively building out our marketplace of lenders to offer refinancing options to our users. And we also are piloting white label solutions for financial institutions looking for debt repayment tools for their existing borrowers. So if you're looking for highly motivated leads or interested in providing additional debt repayment tools to your borrowers and users, please don't hesitate to reach out. On that note, I want to hand it over to Greg. He's going to close this out, I think. He might be behind me. But Peach out, and thank you guys so much for being so patient until the end of the day today. Thanks.